Hey guys, Greg with Drifter.Journey here. We have a rainy day here in Southern California, and I figured I'd take that time to try and fix a ding that I got in my surfboard recently. I've never done this before, so it's a first go at it, and we'll see how it pans out. So what we're going to need to do this repair is the Solar Res epoxy kit. This one is for styrofoam and EPS safe. This is a FireWire Timbertek board. Has an EPS foam core, so you need to use that one. If you use the wrong one, I was told that it can melt the core. I got some masking tape and a cheap sandwich bag that I tore open to try and level this out. So basically what I'm going to do is try and sand down any of the rough edges that there are, put some of the epoxy in, smash it flat, and then UV light is what hardens it. So I'll take it outside, put it in the sun for a few minutes, and then try to sand it and make it look as nice as possible. Let's see what happens. that didn't go on as easy as expected. It came out pretty quickly, but I cleaned it up a little bit. I'm going to take it out in the sun to get it to harden. It's only supposed to take about 3 minutes, so do that and then bring it back in and sand it, and hopefully it looks smooth. Alright, so as you can see, it filled it in, went out in the sun for about 5 minutes. It's got a little excess material here, so I'm going to try and sand it back flat, and then we'll be done.